And here we go for week 17 of the Permable Challenge, not week 16. And before I get into it, just a reminder, don't do this at home. There's not portfolio balance here. There's not any in-depth strategy of asset allocations. This is just a little fun challenge. Don't do this at home. So first, just like last week, we're going to be adding to our position in Denison. Uranium, as long as it's down here, it's a buy. The longer it stays down here, it's more of a buy because it's going even higher eventually. So for this week, pick one, again, Denison. Okay, pick two, again, it's Equinox. Now, I don't want to be buying gold here, and that's not because I don't think it's going much higher. I think eventually it will. I just don't think that in the 1330 to 1350 range, it's wise to be buying. I would just, there's a lot of technical resistance in here. If it goes above 1360 or 1365 and then it's looks like it's going higher, maybe it's a buy there. If it goes lower than 1300, well, back off a bit, but maybe a buy lower. So I don't really want to be buying gold here, but there are a few gold miners, gold stocks that are just don't need gold to go higher. Gold could even go lower and the stock should be higher. So Equinox is one of them. So we're going to be adding Equinox despite being cautious about gold. And lastly, again, not week 16, this is week 17, we're going to be adding to Lucara Diamond. They had their earnings in this past week and they ran up a bit before earnings. Earnings were mostly pretty good, but they did draw down on some cash and they did say a few things that I guess some investors didn't like. And I mean, I could see why they're down, but even so, they beat, and beat. So that's, but again, with Lucara, you get the Karowe mine, which is massive diamonds. I don't know if you've seen it or not. And then you get Clara, which it could be pretty big if you think about the possibilities there. I mean, again, it's unproven. They're starting to draw it out, starting to sell diamonds with it. If they could bring in some other companies and collect a little bit in the middle, that could move them significantly higher if all of that is successful. But again, we'll see. And lastly, as we look at the portfolio, that's here on the right, I've just wanted to mention that I do have a few more requests that I'm working on finishing. One of them should be tomorrow, next day at the latest. The one after that, we'll work on when I'm finished that. I also will have a few other videos in mind that I'm started but haven't completed, and I hope to get them done very soon. And then I have another mostly completed one that I have to finish. They should be out this week. I'm hoping to have a few out this week, but I hope to get some every few days going forward for the next while. So I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe you found something interesting, maybe not, as it was very similar. But until next time, have a great day. As always, everyone, please do your own research before making any investment decisions. This channel shall not be liable for any losses incurred from investment decisions made as a result of information obtained on this channel. Good luck with your investments. I'll catch you next time.